Hello! So, ano ba ang coverage ng LET or Licensure Examination for Teachers? Nahahati sa tatlo: Professional Education Coverage, General Education Coverage, and then Area of Specialization. Professional Education Coverage, pareho yung questions for both elementary and secondary divisions. What are the questions? Questions pertain to the teaching profession, social dimensions of education, principles of teaching, educational technology, curriculum development, facilitating learning, child and adolescent development, assessment of student learning, developmental reading, field study, and practice teaching. The general education coverage is elementary and secondary. Ito, medyo, dahil general education siya, multilingual actually ito. Some questions are in English, some questions are in Filipino. Then, yung iba, it's not just about English. Yung iba, abstract thinking. Kasi, for general education coverage, you have study and thinking skills. So, minsan may math and then may science. Writing in the discipline, and hindi lang sa English, sa ibang subjects din. Speech and oral communication, Philippine literature, and masterworks of the world.